Hey guys, welcome to DevOps Easy Learning. Today, we will be taking you through a series of DevOps terminologies. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting on the subscribe button below. First on our list is Agile. Agile methodology represents an iterative and collaborative approach to software development, emphasizing flexibility, adaptability, and customer satisfaction significantly. Within DevOps, Agile methodologies like Scrum or Kanban are employed to deliver software in concise cycles, facilitating continuous feedback, swift iterations, and early value delivery. CI/CD, or Continuous Integration, Continuous Delivery, is a set of practices and principles that enable frequent automated software releases. Continuous integration involves automatically building and testing code changes to ensure integration and catch issues early. Continuous delivery focuses on automating the release and deployment processes to deliver software reliably and frequently to production environments. Next is configuration management. Configuration management is managing and maintaining consistent and reliable configurations of software and infrastructure. It involves tracking and controlling changes, ensuring consistency across environments, and managing configuration items throughout their lifecycle. Configuration management tools like Puppet or Ansible are commonly used in DevOps to automate and manage configurations. Next is deployment. Deployment refers to the process of releasing software or applications into production environments. DevOps' deployment practices focus on automating deployment processes, reducing manual intervention, and ensuring consistency across environments. Deployments can include provisioning resources, configuring services, and rolling out new code changes. Next is elasticity. Elasticity in the context of DevOps refers to the ability to scale computing resources up or down dynamically based on demand. It involves leveraging cloud infrastructure or containerization technologies to allocate and deallocate resources in real time, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency in response to changing workloads. If you enjoy our content and want more of it, kindly do well to subscribe to our channel by hitting on the subscribe button.